a lot of the senior IT executives, so let's say CIOs, are in a lot of companies, this isn't every company, but in a lot of companies there's a little bit of struggle for who's going to drive this next version of digital transformation. Is this going to be able to happen inside of the IT organization, or is the IT organization not able to handle it and needs to sit somewhere else? Needs to sit in the business, or it needs to sit in a whole different office of digital transformation where IT is a participant, but they're only a participant. I think that most IT organizations would say, look, we've been driving this revolution since day one. And in a lot of organizations, you talk to CIOs who are also the chief digital officer and the chief transformation officer. And then you go into other organizations where the CIO is kind of battling even to have a seat at the table, right? Because in that organization, in that particular organization, IT is seen as the people that are running the legacy stuff, and new people are running the new stuff. I mean, obviously, I think that most people want to at least have a seat at the table, if not the lead seat at the table, for driving digital transformation. But clearly the entire executive team from the CEO down needs to view the IT organization as an asset for driving digital transformation and not a liability. And that also depends on a lot of factors, but clearly, not having a modern, agile, cost-effective, thoughtful IT platform would be a major strike, right? It's like, we can't even think about using an IT organization to drive digital transformation because they're in the dark ages and we need something that's more modern. So technology's got to be high performance platforms. They've got to be hybrid because there is no one size fits all. And you've got to have a purposeful strategy for what goes where. An example of that would be that we're going to take advantage of the DevOps capabilities of public cloud for all of our application development. But we're going to evaluate each workload for where it should really run at scale. And we're going to understand that data is the key driver of making that determination. And then we're going to have to ensure that that data is properly managed, protected, and secure. So clearly, there's a lot of things that a CIO needs to do to ensure that they're sitting at the table or sitting at the head seat in the table with regard to digital transformation. But making sure that they've got their ducks in a row and that IT is modern and transformed is the most important thing they can do.